Diddy has always been vocal about his love for the notorious B.I.G., but according to sources, the can't stop, won't stop rapper slighted the late rapper from getting a posthumous Rolling Stone cover. Burroughs claims that the magazine approached Bad Boy with the opportunity for Biggie's legacy, but instead Diddy wanted the spot. "I was telling Sean, let's make it Biggie. You still have a chance for a cover in the future," Burroughs recalled, to which he says Diddy responded, "No, he's dead. I'm putting out Combs' debut album No Way Out in July. I need to be on the cover of Rolling Stone." Combs ended up on the 1997 cover of The Pub titled Puff Daddy, the New King of Hip Hop. The expose also touched on how many felt that Diddy capitalized off of Biggie's death. In 1999, Diddy sort of backed those rumors as he told RS, "I think his passing added to the fame. At least 2 million of the nearly 5 million copies of No Way Out sold were due to his death, straight up. And that doesn't necessarily feel good, but that's the reality."